Wanna know how to sign up or create an account in Boo? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Boo application and make sure you have it installed. We have also created a video on how to install it, so make sure to watch it. So once you have installed the application, it should look something like this. Now, in order to sign up, just simply select any one of these two, either continue with email or continue with Google. I would suggest continue with Google since it's more convenient. So you can just simply select any account that you liked, and once that is done, here you should be introduced to the application itself. So you can just simply type in your name and in your personal information, and you can just simply get started easily. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.